Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in a Honda Fit. First, locate the cruise control buttons on the right side of your steering wheel. You will see a main cruise button. Press this button to activate the system. A green indicator light will then appear on your dashboard, confirming that the cruise control system is now ready for use. This initial step prepares your vehicle for setting a desired speed. Once the system is active, accelerate to your desired cruising speed, which should be above 25 miles per hour for optimal performance. To set this speed, simply press the Set// button. Your vehicle will then maintain this speed automatically. You can easily adjust your speed up or down by pressing the Res/+ or Set/ buttons respectively, allowing for precise control on the road. There are several ways to cancel cruise control when you no longer need it. The simplest method is to press the Cancel button located on the steering wheel. Alternatively, a light tap on the brake pedal will also disengage the system. To completely turn off cruise control, press the main cruise button again. This ensures the system is fully deactivated until you decide to use it next. If you've canceled cruise control temporarily and wish to return to your last set speed, simply press the Res/+ button. Your Honda Fit will accelerate back to that speed. Remember, always stay alert and be prepared to take manual control of your vehicle at any moment. It is also advisable to avoid using cruise control in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or during adverse weather conditions for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.